Okay, so there already exists a video solution to this question, but for the sake of completeness, I'm still going to cover it. So first thing we're going to want to do is we've got the sphere that goes through points A and B, and that AB forms a diameter. So if we just view this as one of the circles that goes through both A and B and is a circle on the sphere, then we've got this is a diameter, which means that it goes through the center point C. So the first thing we're going to want to do is find that center point C, and then the second thing that we're going to do is we're going to want to find the radius r. So let's find the center point C first. So just like we did in previous problems, that's going to be C is going to be equal to A plus B divided by 2. So we're going to get the center point is going to be halfway between our x components, our y components, and our z components. So we get C is going to be equal to 1 plus 4 divided by 2, 3 plus 3 divided by 2, and 7 plus 2 divided by 2. And now we're going to go, so this guy, C, that can also be written as 5 over 2, 3, and 9 over 2. Now we're going to look at the radius. That's going to be equal to the distance divided by, or the diameter divided by 2. And the diameter is going to be equal to the distance between A and B divided by, so then we just divide that again by 2 to get the radius. So the distance between A and B is going to be equal to root, and then we get 4 minus 1 squared plus 3 minus 3 squared plus 7 minus 2 squared. And then can't forget that's all still divided by 2. So that's equal to square root of, this becomes 9. What's happening there? 9 plus 0 plus 4 all over 2. So sorry, that's not 4. That is, first off, rewrite that. This guy right here is 5 squared, so that becomes 25 divided by 2. Cool. So that becomes root 34 divided by 2. So now our equation becomes x minus 5 over 2 squared, because that's our center point, plus y minus 3 squared plus z minus 9 over 2 squared is equal to this guy squared. So that's going to be 34 divided by 4 is equal to 17 divided by 2.